Hi, so here we have a GCSE and IGCSE Maths question, level 9 A-star question. This is an extremely difficult one. The intersection of a straight line and a circle. So we have y equals 2x minus 3 intersects the circle x squared plus y squared equals 41 at 2 points, A and B. Work out the length of the line segment AB. Why not pause now and try this one yourself? Okay, so I'm going to assume that you have paused it and you've had a go and hopefully got it right. Let's see what you should have done just in case you didn't get it right. Okay, as I've said, this is a level 9 A-star question. There's very little help in the question. All you know is you have a circle and a line intersecting it, and you know the equations of the line and the circle. So the first step here that we have to do is we have to find the coordinates of the points A and B. What we can say at the points of intersection, this and this equal each other. So we can say that x squared plus 2x minus 3 squared equals 41. So I've substituted 4y in here. Okay, and we'll take this from here and work out what it comes out to. The first thing to do is open the brackets and expand the left hand side. So we have x squared plus 4x squared. This is a perfect square, so it's 3 times 2 is 6 times 2 is 12. So this is minus 12x plus 9 equals 41. And now if we gather all the terms on the left hand side and equate them to 0, we can solve our equation. So we have x squared plus 4x squared is 5x squared minus 12x, and we have plus 9, take away 41 is minus 32 equals 0. So this we now need to factorise, if we can factorise it. 5 times 132, 5 times 32, 5 times negative 32 is negative 160. And we're looking for factors of negative 160 that add up to negative 12. 8 20s are 160, and there's 12 difference between them. So that would have to be negative 20 and positive 8. Okay, that gives us negative 12. So we write this out as a 4-term expression now. So we have 5x squared minus 20x plus 8x minus 32 equals 8x minus 32 equals 0. So there's our minus 20 plus 8 is negative 12. So these two have replaced the negative 12. You should be familiar with that if you're doing level 9 questions. So now we can factorise this in 2 pairs. We can take out a factor of 5x. So we have 5x brackets x minus 4 plus 8 brackets x minus 4 equals 0, which tells us that 5x plus 8 times x minus 4 equals 0. And then just finishing off the solution, we have x equals negative 8 over 5, or x equals 4. So we've solved our equation. Now we can substitute back into the easier one of the two, y equals 2x minus 3, to get our values for y. So when x equals when x equals negative 8 over 5, we have y equals 2 times negative 8 over 5, which is negative 16 over 5, minus 3, which 3 is 15 over 5, so this equals negative 31 over 5. And when x equals 4, y equals 2 times 4, which equals 8. Take away 3, so y equals 5. So we have negative 8 over 5, negative 31 over 5, and 4, 5. Those are our points A and B, and it doesn't matter which is A and which is B. I'll take the first one as A and the second one as B, but it makes no difference whatsoever. The next step in this is step 2. That's step 1 finished there. Step 2 is to find the magnitude of AB. The magnitude of a line AB is its length. Okay, so we're looking for the magnitude of AB squared, because we're using Pythagoras. Okay, to do this, fairly straightforward. So this AB squared, I'm going to take the squared out because I put the square root on this side. AB equals 4 minus negative 8 over 5, so that's 4 plus 8 over 5 squared, plus 5 minus negative 31 over 5, so that's 5 plus 31 over 5 all squared, which is 4 over 5 is 20 over 5, so this is 28 over 5. The square root of 28 over 5 squared, and plus 25 over 5 is 5. 25 over 5 plus 31 over 5 is 56 over 5. All squared, and now we can use our calculator. So I'll just put my calculator here where you can see it. Turn it on, and we have the square root of, open brackets again, 28 over 5, so it's 28 fraction 5 close brackets squared, plus open brackets 56 fraction 5 close brackets squared, close brackets again, equals, and we have the length of our line segment AB is 12.5 centimeters, brackets, 3 significant figures. And that's it. Very, very difficult question to do in an exam, but actually if you just take it step by step, there's only 2 steps in it. That's the first step. This is the second step. This is just solving a fairly difficult quadratic, and this is just Pythagoras. Hope you enjoyed that. See you in the next one. Bye.